How to report a lost or stolen card through the Barclays app. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the way to report a lost or stolen card through the Barclays app. So in order to do this procedure, first of all, make sure to log in into your Barclays account. So in my case, I'm using a web browser, and on the web address bar, go ahead and type in barclays.co.uk, and on the app's homepage, you can go ahead and select your card. Then choose the card that you need to replace, and then you need to go ahead and select report damaged, lost, or stolen. When you've done that, select whether the card was damaged, lost, or stolen, and a few details. Then follow the instructions and accordingly providing the information. Then you'll have successfully reported a lost or stolen card through the Barclays app. So that's how you can report a lost or stolen card through the Barclays app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.